the first thing you need to do is one step and rotate your shoulders. And this is the first thing you need to do. Imagine this is the camera, is recording to the other side, okay? And also when you do this step, okay, your hands, your forearm are close to your abdomen, okay? And this is the first thing you need to do. And after this, you start to run. Then you stop, you play, and for now you can just play and stay, okay? Like that. For you, if you need, you can play, okay? And if you feel the need, you can move. 1, 2, you see? 1 here, and then you just use your shoulders here, okay? And then 2, you keep the racket, double step, and then you play. And you need to feel the power on this leg, because imagine the ball is already here. If you do one step and the ball comes to this direction, if you are with this step, you can just bend and play, okay? So you need 1, and then the second for you is here, okay? And this you need to feel comfortable. Then double step, okay? And you are low, and then you go. 1 here, 1 to the side, backhand. Yeah, now we are gonna do only backhand, so you already can hold it normal. Yeah, 1, 2, double step. Okay, 1 to the side, and then second forward, and then you go, double step. You see, don't move. If I touch, you're gonna fall, okay? Yeah. You need to be balanced a little bit wider, this position, okay? And when you open, 88% of you are still not subscribed to my channel, so if you find this valuable, please subscribe. And now let's get back to our video and to our tips. When you open the racket, instead of having the racket on your back, you see your wrist is in pain. You need to relax, okay? Here, on this side. And this is the camera, is recording to the other side. Then hold it, shake hands, and like that, relax. And now, one step, only step, and now, that's it. 1, 2, double step. Okay, you need to stop and then you play. 1, 2, double step, and always be sideways. Always. 1, 2, double step, you are sideways here. When you move to the ball, at the same time you go with the racket, you rotate a bit your shoulders, this. Okay? And then you go. Last ones. 1, 2, double step. Yeah, okay, you finish with that? Yeah, here. With distance. Instead of doing this step to the side here, you do one step back and then 2, 3, okay? You play and then you recover. 1, 2, split. The second thing, and a little bit more advanced, is the ball is higher. Matej, the ball is higher. Instead of going back, you anticipate and you do this. You see? Power here and you jump, okay? And then you fall and then you recover to the middle.